Hey guys, it's been a long winter up here in Canada, but the sun's finally out and I've got my shop open. And to start things off easy with the first video, I'm going to replace this little Chinese 3.5-inch vise. This big 1982 Hamilton, Ontario vise, and we're going to restore this thing in the first video. So let's get started. Alright, that's as far as we're going. There's a couple of things I could do more that I'm not going to, like this piece, but it's held in with a pin. I don't know if you can see it there. You can see that pin. That seems to be locked in, and I'm not going to try to worry about that. And the other thing is the handle. This is removable. There's one side that you can see has a rim on it that you can knock off, that one there, and remove this whole handle, but I'm not going to do that because it looks fine anyway, and I'll just polish it up. We're going to get some wire wheels, a cup one and a regular one, and clean all the paint off. Model number I think 50 and 290382. I've seen a few vices around this time and I've never seen one with a timestamp that accurate. That's kind of cool.
No.
So I've been looking at this color for a while and I don't think I'm happy with it. When I had this vise scanned at the store for the color match, the paint was faded, so it didn't come out with the right color. So what I'm going to do is grab some of my own blue from the same brand of paint and try to tint it myself to a color I like more. hope you enjoyed that short video. Let me know if you like this sort of restoration video, because when I picked up this vise, I also got a drill press vise that I have to restore, and this would be a more involved video, so if you like that, you'll like this one even more. Hope you had a good day, whatever day it is for you, and see you in the next one. Bye.